Welcome to Master Tricks Part 4. Going to make trigonometry so easy that even the most difficult questions will appear to be very simple. And these tricks are enough to solve more than 95% of the NCERT and board exam questions.
My career is over.
Why? What's the problem?
If they learn these tricks, they will finish the exam faster.
Exactly! Let's start with our first trick, diamond trick. Remember just one line, Sophie Topa, which was taught in the first class. Sophie is sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite or perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent or base. And the last one, Topa. Tan is equal to opposite or perpendicular by base or adjacent. Let's come to this figure. In this right angle triangle, right angle at angle B, this is opposite or perpendicular and this is base or adjacent with respect to this angle alpha. If you consider angle beta, side BC becomes the opposite or perpendicular and side AB becomes base or adjacent. So keep in mind that when the angle, the reference angle changes, opposite, perpendicular, base, adjacent, they interchange. Trick 2, the sine trick.
Oh, no, another shortcut.
In the sine trick, to find the trigonometric ratios of specific angles, just remember this trick. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Just write 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 and take the square root. You get 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And just reverse the values to get the value of cos. For tan, sine by cos. And to get cosec, sec, cot values, you already know the value of sine, cos, tan. Just take the reciprocal. That's all. 3, the tan trick. Tan is equal to sine by cos from the trick number 2. So if you take these angles, you get these values. If you calculate sine by cos from the trick 2, you get these values. And the trick 4 is remaining 3 ratios. That is, you have to just take the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan. And what you get? Cosec, sec and cot. Trick number 5, identity trick. That is very important. You already know sine square theta plus cos square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. But you don't have to remember these two. Everything comes from here. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You just have to remember this. If you divide by cos square theta, you get 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And if you divide this by sine square theta, you get 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Trick number 6, complementary angle trick. Wherever you see 90 minus theta, you can swap sine cos, tan cot, sec cosec. For example, sine 60 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 60, which is equal to cos 30 degrees. Or you can take tan 50 degrees is equal to cot 90 minus 50 degrees, which is equal to cot 40 degrees. Or you can take sec 30 degrees is equal to cosec 90 minus 30 degrees, which is equal to cosec 60 degrees. Trick number 7 and 8 from applications of trigonometry.
Please don't. Please don't.
You can see trick number 7. Height and distance. Looking up is angle of elevation. And looking down is angle of depression. Trick number 8. In applications of trigonometry, when you draw a triangle in a particular scenario, which trigonometric ratios you should use? So you can see if height and distance is given, you have to use tan. You can see in the diagram I have highlighted AB and BC. If height and hypotenuse is given, use sine. Here I have highlighted AB and AC. If distance and hypotenuse is given in the diagram, then use cos. Here I have highlighted AC and BC. Very important trick. Number 9. Whenever you are solving problem in applications of trigonometry, remember this. This is a board exam trick. These are the 4 steps you should remember. First, you have to draw the triangle as per the given question. Then write the angle, whichever is given. Suppose angle C is given. Mark known sides. Let us say this is given as 5 centimeter and this is given as 4 centimeters. Choose the ratio. From the trick number 8, which ratio has to be taken here? Since cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 by 5, you have to take cos here. This is one of the examples. Let's learn the final master trick.
This is not the final trick. No.
Remember Sophie Topper? Remember the sine trick? Remember the sine cos table? Remember tan is equal to sine by cos? Remaining are reciprocals. 3 identities. You just have to remember one identity. And the complementary angles. That's all in trigonometry. If you enjoyed the master tricks, please like and subscribe. See you in the next class. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.